Yeah, hi friends. So today we'll discuss a few Windows command, which is very important and which is the basic command. So first basic command we would like to discuss about. This is a directory command. So directory is just you use dir command and you can see uh, this local directory. I'm in the C user SSCHI. So this directory have this many folders or files, so you can easily track it from here using the directory command. So if you wanted to change the directory and getting it from is from here, you can use it here, like cd, that is called a cd change directory command. And you can use like Tkinter project. So let's give a Tkinter project. You just select here and go to the edit and copy it. And yeah, so here once you hit enter, you can able to go to this Tkinter project site, and you can also use here directory. So you can see this many files or folders are available in this. Second command is like mkdir. If you would like to go to the back directory, you just go to the back to the this main directory. And if you wanted to create some test project, let's see, mkdir make directory, and use the folder name or directory name, that is something like test uh, test 20 July and 2025. So this is the folder which I have created now. So let's check this folder name. So that's the folder name is here, the test 20 July 2025. So now go to this file that is called test. So as I said, like you just click and go to the copy, and here this you just enter into that. So next command is like if you want to go back, cd dot space and dot, it will go to the previous directory. Again, if you wanted to change to see the task list, so use the task list command. If you can see that how many tasks is now it is running, it's here. So you can find it through the task list. Second command is like a test network connection. So you can use something like yeah, so ping, and you can use any Google address, and it will give you the ping, test your network connection with the google.com. You can also use something to see what is your IP, I mean the network address. So you can use ipconfig, and it will provide you the network setting and all. You can use CLS screen, and the things will clear here. You can also check, there are variety of ipconfig commands like ipconfig space hyphen backslash all or flush DNS, renew, release, all these commands is here. So if you wanted to see the your DNS record, how to check this NSLOOKUP? NSLOOKUP is command where you can see that your DNS settings and all. So if you wanted to update, you can easily check it. This NSLOOKUP is there. And if you wanted to trace the network settings and all, you can use this tracing route of Google. So let's see that trace, TRACERT, and use the Google .com. So let's see, you can trace this network easily. If you have any issues with your network connection and all, you can easily trace what is this maximum uh, network settings, how this network is performing, what is the timeout, uh, and what is the request receiving from there. There is also more command is some settings shutdown command is there. GP is a group policies uh, network. So apart from that, there is a lot of command is there which is you can use. If you wanted to see the system information, one of the best basic command is called system info. So you can see this. You can easily check all this information. So system information is used for, you can see all the information in your system related. The next is like let's see, discuss about something called who am I. Who am I. So this is the same in Linux as well. So you can see the laptop name or whatever name your you can check it. If you have a telnet client, you can easily check this change directory. We already discussed. If you wanted to see that something scan, you can use the sfc command. Used to check disk, you can use the chkdsk. Yeah, so that's all from my today. Thanks about that, and yeah, thank you.